How you can expose anyone that have been stealing from you with sea salt. If you have been suspecting a particular person of stealing from you, but you are not very sure, but you are just suspecting that person, and you want to expose that person, you want that person to expose, you need to do this spiritual assignment. Okay, maybe the maid you have in your house, or anybody that you are suspecting. It can be your friend, it can be your relative, anybody that you have been suspecting of stealing things from you. You want them to be exposed. You should watch this video to the end, because in this video I will share with you step by step on how you should do this spiritual assignment to expose them. Okay, my name is Gideon and I share spiritual tips here in this channel. Please do well to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, the world we are living in is a spiritual world. Okay, and it is spiritual realm that control the physical. Okay, if you want to expose this person that have been stealing things from you, you need to go spiritual. Okay, when I mean going spiritual, I don't mean that you should use charm or you should use spell, but you should do this spiritual assignment with sea salt through prayer. Okay, and I will tell you what you should do with the sea salt for them to be exposed, and you'll be able to know who the person is. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video to the end as I reveal to you step by step on how you should do it so that they will be exposed. So keep watching the video to the end. Welcome back. So if you have been suspecting anybody of stealing things from you, if you have been suspecting anybody at all of stealing things from you, this is what you should do. Okay, just go and get your sea salt. Okay, this is sea salt. Go and get your sea salt. You can buy it from the market, you can buy it anywhere. Okay, just get sea salt. Now when you get the sea salt, you are going to use it to make a cross. Okay, if you're suspecting that person of stealing things from you, maybe from your shop or in your house, if it is in your shop, you are going to make a cross with that sea salt at the center of your shop. If it is in your house, you make it at the center of your house. Okay, now once you have made a cross in that particular place that the person has been stealing things from you, you are going to remove your slippers, okay, or your shoe. Then you stand on that cross at the center of that cross, okay, and you pray. Tell God that you want this person that has been stealing things from you to be exposed. Okay. Let God expose him. Let one or two things make that person to expose him or herself. Okay. This will be your prayer point. Okay. As you're standing on that cross. This spiritual assignment, you are going to do it in the afternoon, not in the morning, not in the night. You are going to do it in the afternoon. Okay. Tell God that you want that person to be exposed. Okay. After making that prayer, you come down from that cross, okay, that you have made with that sea salt. You come down from that cross that you have made with that sea salt, and make sure that when you are doing this prayer, you do it with all your mind, like you do it believing that God will expose that person. Okay, anybody at all that has been stealing from you, if you want that person to be exposed, just do this spiritual assignment. So after you must have come down from that cross, okay, you use your broom with left hand. Use broom with the left hand. Take note and sweep that salt, that sea salt, away from that particular place. Use your left hand with the broom and sweep that place off. That salt off, sorry. Okay, so that is what you should do if you want to expose anybody that has been stealing from you. Okay, being it a man, being it a woman, being it a man, whoever it is that has been stealing things from you, just do this spiritual assignment and all of them will be exposed. Okay, so that is how you can do it. If you have any question that you want to ask about this video, you can use the comment section. Okay, drop your question in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe so that you'll be getting my videos anytime I drop a new one. So here I'll be wrapping it up in today's video. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.